FineLine Technologies is powering greater visibility for digital factories with advanced RFID solutions designed specifically for the global tire industry. As market pressures grow and regulators demand full traceability, it's critical that tire manufacturers, as well as fleet and supply chain owners, improve quality control, increase transparency, and develop new business models to stay ahead. With FineLine RFID tags and labels, you can securely identify, track, and validate each individual tire, including the origin of raw materials and tooling used during manufacturing. FineLine's suite of proven RFID solutions makes it possible. FineLine's RFID mold tagging and vulcanizing bead label solutions match mold and tire segments, enabling complete process tracking for every tire, from raw materials through curing to final quality inspection. For inventory management and logistics tracking, FineLine RFID tread labels can be applied, allowing you to quickly identify, locate, and count every tire in your inventory, read tires for order verification, ensure loading accuracy, and more. FineLine RFID solutions also give auto manufacturers full manufacturing traceability for each individual tire, with the ability to automatically associate tires with rims, vehicles, and customers. And our aftermarket solution makes it easy for fleet owners to manage each tire as an individual asset with reliable service records that reduce tire-related emergency roadside service, help monitor tire theft, and manage tires individually through the retreading process. Regardless of your industry role, FineLine RFID solutions allow you to improve operations, meet emerging compliance requirements, create safer tires, and leverage new business models such as pay per mile. With more than 25 years of experience producing over 300 million tags and developing RFID solutions in collaboration with leading tire manufacturers, FineLine's smart tire solutions are easy to implement and proven to last. Drive the future with RFID tire solutions from FineLine Technologies. Contact us to learn how FineLine can enable your transition to a digital factory, or visit us online to learn more.